was 17. You were working for Matthew and Son. The Beatles met the Queen. And I wrote, I'm gonna get me a gun, yeah, yeah. It was like a dream in the star machine. Oh no, is it so? Is it so? I never wanted to be a star. I never wanted to travel far. I only wanted a little bit of love, so I could put a little love in my heart. I never wanted to be la-di-da, go to parties avec le bourgeois. I only wanted to sing my song well, so I could ring a small bell in your heart. Yeah, 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 yeah. I was on the road, sleeping between lorry lights, all stone drunk and cold, heading into a bad night, yeah, yeah. Just another beat in the star machine. Hi-ho, here I go, here I go. I never wanted to be a star, buy my mom a Ferrari car. I only wanted to run my own race, so I could win a small place in your heart. Yeah, 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 yeah. But nature found a way to pick me up off the dark side, yeah, yeah. Showed me another day. It made me sing, I think I see the light, not another beat in the star machine. Oh no, this time I won't go. I never wanted to be a star. I never wanted to travel far. I only wanted a little bit of love, so I could put a little love in my heart.